Start with a clean, makeup-free face. Apply moisturizer on and around your lips. To start the session, place the opening of the device over the right side of your upper lip. Allow your lips to relax and compress the device while creating a seal between the device and your lips. Release the pump while still holding the device in place for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat these 15 to 30 second increments as desired, but not exceeding 3 minutes. Make sure to go over the left side of the upper lip and both sides of the lower lip. The suction motion promotes the skin's natural renewal process and activates the natural lip color revitalizing technology. The Ultra Volume technology enables instant lip volumizing, giving you softer lips while providing a temporary plumping effect. To finish the session, rinse the device with mild soap and water after use.